In today's digital age, communication with AI is the norm. One of the most advanced models is ChatGPT. It makes conversations natural and engaging. This essay explores how ChatGPT enhances conversations. We will look at its ability to remember context and manage long chats. It asks questions to understand better. These features make the chat experience engaging and helpful. ChatGPT is based on the GPT-4 architecture. Trained on vast data, it generates human-like responses. It can be used in various applications, from customer service to personal assistance. The goal is to make interactions smooth and efficient. One of the standout features of ChatGPT is its memory. It can remember details from previous conversations. This is important for maintaining context. For example, if you mentioned your favorite color in an earlier chat, ChatGPT can recall this. This makes the conversation feel more personal and connected. Remembering details helps in various scenarios. In customer service, it can recall past issues. This means you don't have to explain your problem repeatedly. In a personal assistant role, it can remember your preferences. This makes future interactions smoother and more tailored to your needs. This memory feature is achieved through advanced algorithms. These algorithms help the AI to store and recall information as needed. It ensures that the flow of conversation is not disrupted. This continuity is essential for a natural conversation experience. Overall, the ability to remember details enhances the user experience. It makes the interaction feel more human. This is a significant step forward in AI communication. ChatGPT excels at managing multi-turn conversations. It handles long chats efficiently. It keeps track of the conversation flow. This is crucial for coherence. Context is key. It provides relevant responses. This makes the conversation feel natural, useful in customer support and personal interactions, a testament to ChatGPT's advanced capabilities. ChatGPT's responses are dynamic. This means it can adjust its answers based on the conversation. It does not rely on preset responses. Instead, it generates replies in real time. This makes the interaction feel more genuine. Dynamic responses are essential for maintaining engagement. They ensure that the conversation does not become monotonous. For example, if you ask ChatGPT about a topic, it can provide detailed information. If you then ask a follow-up question, it can adjust its response accordingly. This adaptability is achieved through machine learning. ChatGPT learns from each interaction. This helps it improve over time. It can understand different nuances and contexts. This makes its responses more accurate and relevant. The ability to provide dynamic responses enhances the chat experience. It makes the interaction feel more human-like. This is crucial for building a connection with the user. It also ensures that the conversation remains engaging. Section 5. Importance of clarification and follow-up questions. ChatGPT often asks for clarification. This is to ensure it understands the user correctly. It also asks follow-up questions to gather more information. These features are important for providing accurate responses. Asking for clarification helps avoid misunderstandings. For example, if you mention a vague term, ChatGPT can ask for more details. This ensures that it provides the right information. It also shows that the AI is attentive and cares about the user's needs. Follow-up questions help in gathering more context. They ensure that the conversation is comprehensive. For example, if you are looking for a restaurant, ChatGPT can ask about your cuisine preference. This helps in providing tailored suggestions. These features make the interaction more interactive. They show that ChatGPT is not just a passive responder, it actively engages with the user. This makes the conversation more meaningful and helpful. Section 6. Benefits of ChatGPT's features. The features of ChatGPT bring several benefits. They enhance the overall chat experience. The ability to remember details makes interactions smoother. Managing multi-turn conversations ensures coherence. Dynamic responses keep the conversation engaging. Clarification and follow-up questions add depth to the interaction. These features make ChatGPT versatile. It can be used in various applications. In customer service, it can resolve issues efficiently. In personal interactions, it can provide a tailored experience. The AI's adaptability makes it suitable for different scenarios. The benefits extend to both users and businesses. Users enjoy a seamless and engaging interaction. Businesses can provide better customer service. This leads to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Overall, the features of ChatGPT make it a powerful tool. It enhances communication in a way that feels natural and engaging. This is a significant advancement in AI technology. Section 7, Example Conversation Illustrating Points. To illustrate these points, let's look at an example conversation. Imagine you're planning a vacation. You start by telling ChatGPT about your destination. You mention that you love beaches and historical sites. It suggests activities based on your preferences. It remembers your love for beaches and historical sites. It suggests visiting a beach with historical significance. This shows how it remembers previous details. ChatGPT suggests hotels near the beach and historical sites. It manages multi-turn conversations. It suggests restaurants based on your preferences. This ensures tailored suggestions. This example highlights how ChatGPT enhances conversations. Section 8, Enhancing User Interactions. The features of ChatGPT significantly enhance user interactions. They make the conversation feel more natural. The ability to remember details adds a personal touch. Managing multi-turn conversations ensures coherence. Dynamic responses keep the interaction engaging. Clarification and follow-up questions add depth. These enhancements are crucial for user satisfaction. They make the interaction feel more human-like. This is important for building a connection with the user. It also ensures that the conversation is meaningful and helpful. The improvements in user interactions have wide-ranging benefits. They can be used in customer service to provide better support. They can also be used in personal assistance to offer a tailored experience. The versatility of ChatGPT makes it suitable for different applications. Overall, these enhancements make ChatGPT a powerful communication tool. They ensure that the user has a positive experience. This is a significant advancement in AI technology. Section 9. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT enhances conversations in several ways. Its ability to remember details from previous conversations adds a personal touch. Managing multi-turn conversations ensures coherence. Dynamic responses keep the interaction engaging. Clarification and follow-up questions add depth to the conversation. These features make the chat experience more engaging and helpful. They ensure that the interaction feels natural and human-like. This is crucial for user satisfaction. The versatility of ChatGPT makes it suitable for various applications. It can be used in customer service, personal assistance, and more. The advancements in ChatGPT are a significant step forward in AI communication. They make interactions smoother and more efficient. This is a testament to the power of AI technology. Section 10. Future prospects of ChatGPT. Looking ahead, the prospects of ChatGPT are promising. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced features. Future versions of ChatGPT may have even better memory capabilities. They may be able to manage even longer conversations with more context. The dynamic nature of responses will also improve. ChatGPT will become more adept at understanding nuances. This will make interactions even more engaging. The ability to ask for clarification and follow-up questions will also become more refined. These advancements will make ChatGPT an even more powerful tool. It will enhance communication in ways we can only imagine. The future of AI communication is bright. ChatGPT is at the forefront of this exciting journey. In summary, ChatGPT is a remarkable tool that enhances conversations. Its advanced features make interactions more natural and engaging. The future holds even more promise for this incredible technology.